How to go live together on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you on how you can go live together on YouTube, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now YouTube has recently updated a new feature that is where the creators can go live together, which means they can invite people to the live session. Now to do this, all you have to do is open the YouTube app and make sure that your channel meets the minimum requirements to be able to go live, and then you just need to tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen right over here. Once you tap the plus icon from the bottom over here, you'll find this option called go live together. As you can see, then all you need to do is just tap the option called go live together here, and once you do that, you can say streaming on YouTube just got better. You can now invite people to go live with you and add, remove or mute them at any time, create a public or unlisted stream, review your video and audio, and then just tap the get started button. Once you tap on the get started button, here you can see you can choose a title for your live video. You can also choose audience, you can choose description, and you can choose schedule, and you can also choose advanced settings here. You can allow the chat and then also enable monetization for this live video, and then just come back, and then all you need to do is just click on next, and then you'll successfully go live. And then you can also invite people to your live session. This is how you can go live together on YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.